Question number 17. If alpha and beta are two different complex numbers. So alpha a plus ib னு எடுத்துக்கலாம், beta x plus iy னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். And it is given that beta modulus is 1. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Mod beta is nothing but root of x square plus y square. இது 1 னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. அப்போ what is my x square plus y square? 1. Okay. So have this in mind. Let me write it over here. So x square plus y square equals 1. அதுதான் mod beta ஓட meaning. Then find mod of minus beta by alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta. Okay? Question correct copy பண்ணுங்க. So I have to find this. So in the term first நான் எழுத போறேன். Okay? So inside the modulus I have beta minus alpha, which is x plus iy minus a plus ib, don't forget the bracket, divided by 1 minus alpha bar in a minus ib times beta. So it is x plus iy. Be very careful when you are substituting. இது எல்லாமே inside a modulus symbol. Okay, this is my first step. Second step, இப்போ இந்த brackets open பண்ண போறேன். X plus iy minus a minus ib divided by 1 minus, let me open this, minus இருக்கு. So always put a bracket. So I have ax plus ay minus bxi minus byi square modulus. Okay, next step, real and imaginary parts ஒண்ணா எழுத போறேன். So I have x minus a plus I times y minus b divided by 1 minus ax plus by plus I times ay minus bx. Okay, I'm just writing the real and the imaginary parts together. Ax, I square and minus 1, so minus into minus plus. So ax plus by, the real term. I times ay minus bx. Okay, numerator le adhe mari edhirukken. Now you know that modulus of z1 by z2, இதை split பண்ணி எழுதலாம். Mod of z1 divided by mod of z2 னு split பண்ணி எழுதலாம். So now I'm going to split the numerator and the denominator. So what will be my modulus? Modulus will be root of real part square plus imaginary part the whole square. அப்படிதான் இங்க போட்டுருக்கோம். Mod b is the square of the real part plus the square of the imaginary part. இங்க real part என்ன? X minus a the whole square plus imaginary part is y minus b. So y minus b the whole square divided by same thing. இங்கேயும் வந்து it will be 1 minus this term. So let me just open this bracket. So I have x minus a plus I times y minus b. Denominator la என்ன ஆகும்? Minus open பண்ணா I'll have 1 minus ax minus by minus I times ay minus bx, the whole modulus. இப்போ இங்க real part என்ன? The real part is this whole term. So I have 1 minus ax minus by. So root of 1 minus ax minus by the whole square plus imaginary part என்ன? Minus of ay minus bx. So it will be minus of ay minus bx the whole square. Square பண்ணும்போது இந்த minus போயிடும், but don't omit it. Okay. So இப்போ numeratorல என்ன ஆகும்? Open பண்ணா a minus b the whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab plus அதே மாதிரி இங்க a square plus b square minus 2ab. இது numerator. Denominatorல என்ன இருக்கும்? இப்போ modulus போயிடுச்சு. Modulus is nothing but the square root of the sum of the squares of the real and the imaginary part. Okay. So இப்போ denominatorல என்ன இருக்கு? Let me take this as one term. So I have a minus b the whole square. So இதை ஒரு term எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So I have a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it will be a square plus b square minus 2 times a times b. So இது இந்த term. Okay. Then I have plus minus square பண்ணா plus ஆயிடும் ay minus bx. So it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will be 2ay bx. Okay. So now what is my numerator? I'm combining x square plus y square. X square plus y square plus a square plus b square minus 2ax minus 2by. So this is numerator. Denominator I have to open this part again. So a minus b whole square formula என்ன இருக்கும்? This is only using the formulas that you have already learned. There is nothing complicated. Calculationல தப்பு பண்ணாம இருந்தா ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். Okay? So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square. A square x square minus 2ab, which is minus 2ax. இந்த term முடிஞ்சது. Plus by the whole square is b square y square. So I have 2 times by minus ax by. இன்னும் 2 நான் multiply பண்ணல. I have multiplied these two terms. Okay? Plus a square y square plus b square x square plus 2ay bx. Okay? This is my denominator. So let me erase this part of the board. Please copy. So what do I know? X square plus y square is 1. So அதுக்கு பதில் என்ன எழுதலாம்? I have 1 plus a square plus b square minus 2ax minus 2by. This is my numerator. Denominator என்ன இருக்கு? 1 plus, so square root குள்ள 1 plus, இங்க a square இருக்கு, இங்க a square இருக்கு. So I can take the a square common from these two terms. So I'll have a square times x square plus y square. ஏன் அப்படி பண்றேன்? I know x square plus y square equals 1. Okay, so a va common எடுத்தா I'll have a square times x square plus y square. இந்த ரெண்டு term போச்சு. What am I left with? Minus 2ax plus b square y. இங்கே ஒன்று இருக்கு. So b square times x square plus y square. அதையும் எழுதிடலாம். b square times x square plus y square. இப்போ எந்த termலாம் முடிஞ்சது? We wrote this. We wrote this. So these are my remaining terms. Remaining terms la enna? Minus 2ax minus 2by plus 2ax by plus 2ay bx. Okay, here it's a minus. Okay, it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus ay bx. So in that minus, please change it. So it will be a minus here. So it will be a minus here. Okay, நான் cancel ஆகலைன்னு பார்த்தேன். So you correct your mistakes in your exam. இந்த மாதிரி தான் numeratorல வர term denominatorலயும் வரணும். But வரலங்கும் போது you have to check where you have made the mistake. Okay, so here please change it to the minus sign. So in that 2ax by and 2ay bx ரெண்டுமே சேம் தானே? ax by ax by. So you can cancel these two terms. So what am I left with? X square plus y square is 1. X square plus y square is 1. So I have root of 1 plus a square plus b square minus 2ax minus 2by divided by denominator என்ன இருக்கு? 1 plus a square into 1 a square plus b square into 1 b square minus 2ax minus 2by. இந்த term cancel ஆயிடுச்சு. So I have the same term in the numerator and the denominator, which means it is 1. So you can cancel both. So you get 1. Okay, so this is your answer.